Okay, welcome to another hip hop breakdown. Let's get right into this. This is my beginning hip hop class at Mission College. Okay, so first of all, I want to thank Jerrick. He is a first-time dance student, not just a hip hop student, but any kind of dance. So having him, I asked him to volunteer to be in this video. So you can see that his experience is not quite there. And this is great because there's a lot of you out there that doesn't have any dance experience. So seeing someone like him, seeing that he's trying to get it, hopefully you guys see yourself doing this as well. Okay, so first thing we want to do is do this halftime. Okay, halftime. Let's break this down. Let's watch this video, halftime video together. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, good. So I was counting with you guys. Let's do this again. Breaking this down real slow. Now, of course, you want to watch me while we're doing this because Jerrick is also following along. He's learning it for the first time. So it's going to be quite difficult for him to get it. But watch me. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. So in the class, I taught it and I had you guys stop at the 3. So the count is 1, 2, and 3. Now, two versions of counting. You could say 1, 2, and 3. So you don't count the 1 and. However, let's go back to here. Watch my leg. I'm stepping on my left first. Here's my 1. 1 and. So if you want to count the and, where I'm picking up my right knee or right foot off the ground, that could be the and. Or just leave it alone. Don't count the and count the 2 as you step down. Okay? So right there, that's 2. Go back again. So you got to know the count. It's 1, 2, and 3. If you were to count the steps. Watch again. Just watch the feet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? That's 1, 2, and 3. Or, if you're used to counting the and, it goes 1 and, right? The feet goes up 1 and, 2 and 3. Okay? This is us counting slow. 1 and 2 and 3. Now, 4 and 5. This is where my foot, actually, my left foot is scuffing the ground on the 4. 4 and 4 and. You see how high my knee goes? All right. So Jerrick is trying to get his knee up. So this is the and, stepping down on the 5. 5. Okay. Rewind that just again. Watch this. This is 4. All right. Or this is 3. And we go and. So if you want to count the and, this is where I lift my back foot up. Okay. If I lift my back foot up, I get a good momentum swinging there. Okay. Whereas if you want to compare Jerrick and I, okay, so this is our 3. We both step on 3. Watch how I lift up, right? I lift up my foot, and Jerrick barely lifts it up. So that movement makes things smaller. So if you want to get better, make things. It's always better to try to get things bigger, move things bigger, okay, or move bigger movements. So I have and 4. See, notice how. Again, Jerrick's learning for the first time, so he's trying to figure out what to do. But now that he's watching it, he should swing back his leg, swing back just like I did, and then swing forward. As I swing forward, see how my leg is swinging up, whereas Jerrick kind of stepped down and he's trying to lift up. Okay, so this is and step down on the 5. We both got the 5 real well. Okay, 5, and then the and 6. The and 6, look at the arms. And, okay. Swing up the arm on the and 6. Smash it down, all right? Smash down the table or whatever, this invisible glass right here. Boom, on the 6. 6, and then you're going to twist your feet, like imagine you're squishing a bug or something, right? And 7 and 8. So I'm only pivoting my left foot. Okay, So that's our 8 count. Let's watch it one time. And we're gonna do this tempo, which means a little bit faster. All right, here we go. All right, so that was tempo. Now, if you're ready, let's move forward to the next 8 count. We're gonna do this halftime. So let's just watch this halftime. All right. So breaking it down, here we go. So we're in the class. For those that are in the class, you guys remember me mentioning that you got to move your body. Your weight's got to shift, okay? So here's our 1. 1, 2, okay? So I'm looking, when you're practicing at home, you want to make sure you look at your hip. Your hip's got to move side to side, all right? Rewind that again. 1, 2, right on the 3, I take a big step. Okay, we call this a slide. Okay, we slide, and the reason why it's called slide because watch the trailing leg. This is my left foot. It's gonna drag along. Okay, that's my slide. Make sure it's pointing away from where you're going. So I'm going to my right. It's pointing to the left. Okay, one more time. Let's go back. Here we go. So we have, let's go again. Okay, here we go. One more time. Let's go slow. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So after that, you're gonna go. This is if you were ever in high school sports or any kind of sports, football players, basketball players, they call this a karaoke move, where you're just crossing your feet front to back, front to back. Okay, I think the first time I heard this in aerobics, they call this a grapevine move. So, anyways, one of the oldest videos that I see is probably like Fred Astaire doing this move. So with the crossing, it looks very graceful. So this is how we're gonna do it. Going slow. You're gonna step. After we slide on 3, the count is 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Right on the 7, you slide. Let's count it. Here we go. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We finish on the 8. We step on the 8. Okay. Let's rewind that again. So we slide on the 3. Watch the 4. I'm stepping back on the 4. There's my 4. Okay. Left leg step back on the 4. 4 and. So my right foot is gonna cross. And this time now I'm heading back, which is away from the mirror. Okay. So this is 4 and 5. Right on the 5. You see how I open up on the 5? So my leg's not crossed anymore. 5 and. On the end, I cross it again, but this time I'm crossing behind me. Okay? 5 and. 6, I open up. And I cross. Slide on the 7. Open up on the 7. Open up, slide. Hold it. And then step it on the 8. Okay? Let's watch it one more time, halftime. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, I just want to point out here some that Jerrick is doing, and I see that a lot of beginning students are doing. When you slide, you got to leave the leg. Okay, let's watch my slide versus Jerrick's slide. Here we go. This is slow. 1, 2, 3. Watch the 3. Okay, so both legs okay right now. As I'm sliding, as I'm dragging, see how I'm keeping my leg out. Okay, I don't pull it back in right away. Look how quickly Jerrick brings it in. So this is not a slide anymore. Once he's here, right, there's no more slide. So he's got to hold on to that. Wait for it. Okay, that's the 3. He should wait. And then I'm turning on the 4. 4. He got there a little bit earlier than me. 4 and 5 and 6 and again here comes another slide. 7. See, I hold it. See how quickly he brings it in already. 7. I'm still holding, and then boom, on the A. So whenever we slide, you got to make sure you hold that slide, okay? The cool thing about slide is when you do something quick, it's like da 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 da, and then you drag it, you extend that period of time. So that's what makes it cool, because if you don't do that, there's no distinction between two, okay? All right, let's watch this one tempo. Let's watch it together. Here we go. So that was our breakdown. Let's try to watch this one more time together. Tempo with Jerrick and I. Here we go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. The moves itself is not very tricky. However, I want to see if you guys can do it cleanly. Okay? The idea is to do something simple but make it look natural. You don't need complicated choreography. You don't need complicated routine to be a great dancer. As a matter of fact, trying to do complicated routine will just look too confusing. You want to make simple stuff look good. And something like this is a great way to get started. Okay? Make the simple stuff look good. Study this video over and over again. Hopefully you guys will make it look natural. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Learn a lot. Practice it. If you liked it, help me hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe, share this, and I'll see you in the next video.